Understanding extended data fields and new dockets in AAAPOS RetailManager version 14. Welcome to this AAAPOS training video. In this guide, we'll walk through the expanded data fields and new docket designs in RetailManager version 14. Version 14 introduces larger data fields across the system. This means you can enter more detailed information without shortening or cutting off important data. Here are the key changes. Barcodes now support up to 20 characters. Product descriptions have increased to 100 characters. Long descriptions now allow up to 1,000 characters. And the change description field in the sales window now supports up to 255 characters. These improvements give you more flexibility when managing products and sales. The change description field is especially useful for adding detailed notes for services, labor, or custom work. To support these changes, all documents have been updated. This includes dockets, sales orders, quotes, invoices, laybys, purchase orders, goods received, returned goods, and customer statements. These layouts now display information more clearly and professionally. Compared to previous versions, the new layouts improve readability and ensure longer descriptions are fully visible. You can still use older docket formats if needed. However, they will only support the original character limits. If you need customized documents, including logos or branding, please contact AAAPOS support for assistance. All system reports have also been updated to support the expanded fields. That's it for this overview of RetailManager version 14. Thanks for watching.